Most common mistake, people not saving enough money after closing.
Big first-time home buyer mistake.
The deal is closed and a few months later,
A ton of people that move into a home and now they have to fix things. They have to buy new furniture. It's a bigger home than their apartment they were living in. So they have to buy more furniture to fill up that home. Maintenance. When you're a renter, you're not even thinking about the maintenance. You're calling the landlord. When you're a homeowner, you are the landlord. If you work with a great advisor such as Michaelo or as myself, we will guide you and show you how to allocate those funds exactly.
The roof of the apartment building or condo building needs some repair. And after 40 years inspection or 50 years inspection, inspector will request to fix some major things.
Is that the only thing that could go up with my mortgage payment?
No, property tax may go up based on the market price of your property. Children may need to go to college, or somebody you or member of your family can get to the hospital, be sick, and you have to pay those expenses, and your car can fail on you and you have to repair the car.
That my monthly mortgage payments may go up as well.
Yes. So what's the solution? Can we do something about that? Yeah, we can call our mortgage specialist, Emmanuel Blakemore.